Hi guys, welcome to my channel, that is Madly Saint Beats, and today is a really cold evening here in Delhi. As you can see on the screen, today I will be doing a comparison video between two earphones coming from Sony brand. Basically these two earphones are from the Extra Bass series of Sony brand. So before doing that comparison, I should give you a brief background. I'm utilizing a HTC One ME smartphone, and as you all are aware that whenever you are purchasing one HTC One series smartphone, you are getting the HTC Boom Sound series earphones, and I was utilizing those earphones since last 3 years, and those earphones are remarkably great because if you talk about the bass of those earphones, I am a bass head, I am a bass lover. So the bass of those earphones is not 10 on 10, it is 15 on 10. If you talk about the treble, it was quite crisp and clear. If you talk about the overall sound quality, it was great. It was perfectly balanced. So if you talk about the lows, mids and highs, definitely that particular earphone was comparable to the high-end earphones like Beats by Dr. Dre or the Apple earphones, etc. Right? So, but very recently what happened was that my earphones got damaged because there is a lifespan of the earphones as well. So I was at a particular point of position that I really require a new set of earphones. Okay, so I searched on the internet, basically onto the e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and I came across these earphones from Extra Bass series. Why I didn't go for any other earphone was the reason that basically I find or search bass into a particular earphone. If you compromise treble, or you can say the overall sound quality, or you can say the lows, mids and highs to a certain level, but if you don't compromise the bass, it's a good earphone for me because I love the bassy earphones. I'm a bass head, I'm a bass lover, as I told you earlier. So I came across this particular set of earphones, okay, and with the help of all the reviews, with the help of all the technical specifications, the pricing, I chose this particular earphone, that is Sony MDR XB510AS. If you can see on the screen, if you are able to see, this is the earphone which I chose in the first position. Then I came to the second earphone. So this particular earphone is basically meant for sports, okay, for all the guys and the girls who go out for gymming, okay, or for some workout, for running. Definitely this earphone is meant for those people because it comes with the ARC supporters, okay. So you have the earphone itself into the package, you have the pouch, you have the arc supporters coming into three sizes, small, medium and large. You have the earbuds coming in four sizes, very small, medium and large. You are having the user manual, you are having a small clip that is used to place the earphones together with the cloth. You are having a plate as well to envelop the cables of the earphones because the cable length is around 1.2 meters, and this is the overall package. I got this particular earphone for rupees 2337 from Amazon. I will be putting a link into the description box below. You can check it out, you can purchase it. So basically I utilized this earphones for a single day's time, and I was happy with this earphone, but not to that particular extent as compared to my expectation, because my only and only expectation was bass. And if you talk about the bass of HTC Boom Sound series earphone, that is much more as compared to the bass which this earphone produces. Okay, so as far as this earphone is concerned, this earphone is definitely a good earphone. It has very good sound quality, good treble, good bass, okay, good lows, mids and highs. But the bass was not that much, which I was experiencing in the HTC Boom Sound earphones, right? So then I again searched on the internet. Okay, I came across with various reviews saying that the other earphones which I'm having is much better as compared to the previous earphones. This earphone is MDR XB75AP. Okay, and the reviews said that definitely this earphone is far better than MDR XB50AP, MDR XB55AP, and MDR XB510AS, which is there. Okay, so this earphone comes with the earphone itself, then a pouch, user manual, then three sizes of earbuds, small, medium, and large, and I guess that's it. Nothing else into the package. Then this earphone costed me for rupees 3200, and I will be providing you a link in the description box. You can purchase it. Okay, but now for the comparison, if you are paying around 900 rupees extra, okay, then definitely you need that bassy punch, okay, or that you can say aggression in the sound quality, which was not there, frankly speaking. Okay, you can say there is a 5% of a difference, not 5%, there is 1% of a difference between these two earphones, and somehow I like this earphone very much as compared to this earphone. Why? Because of the sole reason that this earphone snugly fits into your ear. That is number one point. And the other point is that the sound quality produced by this earphone is far better than the sound quality produced by this earphone. So I guess that you guys are not required to spend rupees 900 extra for this earphone. You can always go for this earphone, and this particular video was basically meant in order to just justify that rupees 900 would not provide you you can say much more benefit over this earphone. So I would definitely recommend MDR XP510AS over MDR XP75AP, right? So I think so that you like this video, and if you do like the content of the video, do like this video, subscribe to my channel. Okay, till then, stay safe, and a very goodbye.